Hello everyone, right peoples. Tonight I am doing golgappe. Oi hoi 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 hoi. Yeah, I was in obviously Green Street today. They it's called pani puri in India, and in Pakistan we call it golgappe. Just this shell, yeah, and this crispy shell. And one bite golgappa. Oh, I need a chamas. Let me show you. I'm very excited about it. Yeah. So, what do? Oh yeah. And then we have this Zabardast Imali Pani. I can't show you because it'll just spill out. Yeah. Like it's there over there. Look, like that. Yeah. Now this is like sweet and spicy and everything. Yeah. Then you have some chickpeas and some potatoes and some onions, sliced onion, and oh, one more thing. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. किधर गया ओए? I forgot it. Freaking hell. I bloody forgot it. He said to me, "Oh, I will add dahi will add I forgot it. Anyway, don't worry about it. So what you do is, you go like this, and you make a hole, like a big hole. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Can you hear the crunchy, crunchy? Yeah, देखो जी, a hole हो गया, ठीक है? I am salivating at the mouth. Then you put the chickpeas and a little bit of potatoes in there, yeah? And then you put a little bit of onion on top. Look, you make a little parcel like that. You check that out. देख रहे हो? ठीक है? Then you take this pani and you pour it in there. There's also yogurt, which was a yogurt sauce thing, which I forgot over there, Begarat. Yeah? Hoi, hoi, hoi. Now this actually you can do at home, but I've tried a few times, never came out proper, yeah? But I got it from the guy who sells them. I can go home and make them, yeah? Hoi, 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 yeah. Look at this, huh? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I'm telling you, you have to try golgappe or pani puri once in your lifetime, people. Oh my God. Oh, the taste, the explosion of flavor in the mouth, nothing like it. ठीक है? ये जबरदस्त. Do try, people. है? रब रखा. और वो हो जाए.